Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So actress Winnie Ntshaba has revealed that Mamkhize had been there for her and Sophie Ndaba when they first got fired from Generations years ago. She said that Mamkhize asked her how much she was earning on Generations, and when she told her, Mamkhize ended up giving her the salary she had received from the soap opera, you guys. She says that Sean had also given her money to pay off her car and her bills, you guys. So when you revealed all of this at Mamkhize's recent book launch, let me not waste your time but quickly insert that video here.
She hosts this in the house. Me and I were used to the house manager's office, so we were showing them the blue lounge, the yellow lounge. We were tour guides. And then Oshan gives us money, each and every one of us. She's like, do something. Later on, she books a Cubana, I'll go sell my act. And then she gives me and Sophie money for drinks. She gives us a lot of money. We are not going to drink all this money. They don't know how much Sean gave us. Already these people have been drinking in Sean's house. They are already done. So when we get there, we just buy a few bottles of champagne and we keep them. And we didn't know Gutu Sean is still going to pay us for being fired. We were going back to Joburg. Then she gave us money. I said, and I just thought, there are not many people like you. A few months later, she calls me and Sophie. She says, tell me, what are your debts? What are the things that you need to pay off? I called Sophie. I was like, no, she's kidding. There is no such thing. So I said to her, I'm left with just one installment for my car. And she says, how much were they paying you? I wanted to lie, but then my conscience said no. I told her how much I was earning. She paid me the salary. And she's like, pay off your car. Because I don't want to deal with stressed friends. Me and Sophie now. That kind of a person. When my dad passed away,